Yeah, so what's going on, everybody of the internet? My name, of course, is Mac, and I'm in a different surrounding, actually, to be honest with you. Reason being, I thought I'd test out this new camera that I've had for a while. It's the Logitech Stream Cam, um, and I've noticed that the GoPro isn't amazing with its quality sometimes. So I thought I'd try something new. So let me know down below about the quality. So we've got today's Drivecrate. What is it? November. So November's race is what Abu Dhabi is going to be next week, isn't it? So, right. So we'll see what it is, and let's see what we get. So I'm not 100% sure whether we get one next month. Well, I thought that was a bit of a freeze then. Not sure whether we get one next month, but we will see. So let's just go without. It is Abu Dhabi, and I'll try to and figure out something to cover the backup for me. So we got it, Abu Dhabi. So we've got the Abu Dhabi. So let's start with, first of all, not knocking all the cans over. I've got Mount Canmore over there. So we've got a piece of, what is this? Polystyrene. All right, so we'll go from, we might as well start from the beginning. So we have a Max Verstappen P1. Let's see whether we get a focus. Yeah. Max Verstappen P1 keyring. So that will go up on my keyring thing that goes on there. I've got a hook. So we've got a nice Max Verstappen P1 keyring. Obviously the pitboard keyrings. That's pretty cool. So stick that to the side there. We've also got some sort of travel bag. Okay, so we've got a Race Day Essentials travel bag. Leather, or is it pleather? Faux leather. So it is pleather, isn't it? Plastic leather. So we've got that right there. Race Day Essentials. That might be good for when I go away. Not that I go away that much, but I suppose I can keep it for other stuff, other shit that's on my desk. I don't know. Right, so we've also got some. I'm gonna pronounce these completely wrong. Alright, okay. The spelling Puhakaramella. Puhacamarella. Puhacamella. Puhacamella. That's what it sounds like. Okay, so they look like strawberry. They look like fruit sweets. From Hungary. I'd imagine they're Hungarian. Not 100% sure. Let's have a try of these. Right. What flavour do I want? Do you want lime? Do you want orange? Over off the camera.
Sorry.
Oh, they're covered in another thing as well, so don't eat it straight away. They're covered in like a. They'll chew it. No, just chew it.
Alright.
Yeah. Like no, not chew it. Starburst.
I've got a bit of a different texture.
Yeah. Pretty much Starburst from the UK, if any of you from the UK. I'd imagine most of the people that have this Drivecrate are from the UK, so yeah, it's just basically Starburst. We got some more socks, which I absolutely love. I've lost near enough all the socks that I've got from this crate. I've lost them all. Apart from one set, which I haven't even opened, so these aren't going to get opened either. Abu Dhabi. In fact, I'm going to have to open them to show the camera. They've got an Abu Dhabi fireworks. See a print of the track. Quite a nice looking sock design. And last but not least, the main item. Aston Martin. I don't 100% know. It's something to do with. In fact, I do know now. I think I had one last year actually. At the same time last year. Obviously, I'm not a massive fan of these products, but Aston Martin Aramco mug. Let's see what get it out of it. Oh, nice finish. Very big mug as well. What is that like? I don't know. Probably would fit a whole monster in there, to be quite honest with you, if not most of it. Monster, obviously 500ml. But not a bad looking mug. Very nice. With the team branding, obviously the team, what is it, British Racing Green. So, that is the rundown of November's Abu Dhabi crate. Obviously, you've got the Max Verstappen P1 board keyring. You've got the socks, the Abu Dhabi socks. You've got the completely butchered the name of these sweets, but you've got the sweets that are like Chewits. No, not Chewits. Starburst. Kind of hoping that the recording hasn't lagged here. Obviously the mug, and also there was something else, wasn't there? Yeah, travel bag. The travel bag. So all in all, as per I always say, £35 all in, delivery included to your house. You know, I do these just to show you guys what you get from an unsponsored point of view. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Thanks for watching. And that's probably fucked now, because I've noticed how much that was like stuttering.
It was stuttering a lot.